Friends, this is a parlight power supply. What is the common problem for blinking problem? For blinking, this preset, sometimes this preset is high, and this 431, this auto coupler 817, sometime IC, and one fault is here, this winding transformer, this winding. If this winding is open, your power supply will blink. And connected to this winding, one resistance and one diode. This point is ground and other point is connected to a resistance. That resistance value is 10 ohms and a diode. Here is this resistance 10 ohms. This is common problem from blinking, for blinking, diode and resistance for blinking.